Upgrading your home's exterior is a massive decision. When it comes to siding, the two most popular choices are vinyl and fiber cement. But which one is the right fit for your property? Vinyl siding is made primarily from PVC resin. It is lightweight, incredibly popular across the country, and designed to provide a clean, updated look to your home's exterior without breaking the bank. Fiber cement, on the other hand, is a heavy-duty composite material made from a mixture of wood pulp, cement, sand, and water. It is engineered to mimic the exact look and texture of natural wood. If budget is your primary concern, vinyl is the clear winner. The materials are significantly cheaper, and the installation process is much faster, making the initial out-of-pocket cost lower than fiber cement. If you want a premium, high-end look, fiber cement takes the lead. It is significantly thicker than vinyl, allowing for deep, authentic wood grain textures that instantly elevate your home's architectural style. Fiber cement is incredibly resilient. It stands up to severe weather, high winds, and flying debris without denting or cracking, whereas standard vinyl can become brittle and vulnerable to impact in extreme cold. A major advantage of fiber cement is its safety profile. Because it is largely made of cement, it is completely impervious to termites and woodpeckers, and it is non-combustible, offering superior fire resistance. Vinyl is virtually maintenance-free. A simple wash with a hose once a year keeps it looking new. Fiber cement holds its factory finish beautifully, but it will eventually require repainting down the road. Both options can protect your home, but insulated vinyl siding offers a unique advantage. It features a built-in layer of foam backing that adds a significant thermal break to your exterior walls. Because fiber cement is incredibly heavy and requires specialized cutting tools, it must be installed by highly trained professionals. Vinyl is much more forgiving and faster to hang on the wall. Your choice depends entirely on your budget, aesthetic goals, and long-term plans. For expert advice and flawless siding installation, contact Vista Contractors. Visit bvcontractors.com today.